Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes.
Okay, so now we are going to move on to our hard vegetables. So cold water, like I said, and circular motions, but this time we are going to use the thicker and more dense bristles. I am cleaning the dirt off of the skin of the potato. And since these do grow in the ground, you definitely want to scrub them off pretty well. As you can kind of see, as I scrub it, it gets a little bit lighter. Okay, so now I have finished washing the potato, and you never want to put anything in your sink that is freshly washed or cleaned because your sink is definitely dirty and can hold more bacteria than a toilet can. And if you can see our scrub brush, you can see all that dirt that came off that potato, and so you definitely want to wash it. So now we are just going to take a paper towel. Okay, and we're just going to pat it dry.
How hungry are you? As you can see here, we have big size sweet potatoes and potato, and then smaller size potatoes. So when you're cooking in the microwave, size does matter. So for your smaller potatoes, it's not going to take as long to cook, maybe about a minute or so. But when you have bigger sweet potatoes like this one, it's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. So before we're putting them in the microwave, it's very important that we pierce the skin. Okay, so now we're going to pierce the skin to get it ready for the microwave. So you don't have to go that deep. You just want to kind of poke some holes in various places. And this lets the pressure inside the sweet potato kind of release. And it also helps it get nice and soft and delicious. And then you're going to do the same for your potato. Works the same way. You just kind of want to pierce in some various locations. Doesn't have to go that deep. You're going to want to turn it to the other side and do the same thing. And then once you're done, you're going to want to take a damp paper towel, kind of like this, and you're going to want to wrap your potato in it, just like this. And then we'll be ready for the microwave. And so we can see by the way the fork easily went in that this potato is done. So now that our potatoes are ready, we added on our favorite toppings. So you can make a meal out of these baked potatoes or microwave potatoes by adding toppings. So we have our sour cream and salsa and cheese with chives on top to make kind of more of a Mexican potato. And then over here you can see we have our various veggies with some meat, which is our pepperoni, and some cheese. And it's a quick and easy meal to make.